How to borrow money on Cash App. I'm going to tell you how to borrow money on Cash App. Cash App lets some users borrow up to $250 through its in-app borrow feature, but not everyone gets access. Eligibility depends on things like your account activity, direct deposits, and usage history. To check if you qualify, tap your Cash App balance, banking, look for borrow. If you see the option, you can borrow a small amount, repay it in 4 weeks, and pay a flat 5% fee. Miss the deadline and there's a 1.25% weekly penalty. It's quick and simple but limited. If you don't qualify or need more than $250, services like Low Credit Finance offers loan up to $5,000 with longer terms. They're more flexible and bad credit friendly, but they're third-party lenders, not part of Cash App. Bottom line, Cash App loans work for fast, small cash needs if you can get them. If not, consider safer alternatives with real support and flexible repayment.